What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I know the angle is a little bit different this time. Well, it's kind of because this mount sucks. Like, honestly, it just doesn't want to stick and it just falls off. So either I have to modify it or just toss it and get a new one. We're probably gonna get a new one. So, as you can probably tell from the thumbnail of the video and from the title, the last carbon ceramic rotors that we had are finally sold. So what was the story of the carbon ceramics? So a while ago, about 2 years ago now, we did a long road trip, let's just say, with a whole bunch of cars. And the C63 is an amazing car. It drives great. It's got power, it's got handling, it's got comfort, it's got nice tech and everything. It's pretty much got everything you need. The one thing that I noticed during that little road trip was that the brakes were not the best. We were in the US, in one state, going downhill at 5 miles over the speed limit. And let's just say that we pressed the brakes and the car can stop, but not as well as it can or should. And I decided that it was time to upgrade the brakes. So I started doing a little bit of research here and there. I was like, the steel brakes are good, but honestly, how is it that a C63S or a C63 AMG Black Series, like 204, or like an E63S, S63S, how can they have carbon ceramic brakes, but this car like never came with them? And I did some research. I saw a couple people were trying to do it, but couldn't really do it. And then some people actually made it happen, but they never really described how they did it. So I did a couple of videos doing like the R&D, many months ago. And finally we made it work. I got the little center ring, made sure that it fits on the hub of the car, did some measurements, made sure that it was actually gonna fit inside the wheel, did all the measurements down to literally, this is how close we got. Like, it was within credit card. Like, you cannot fit like a credit card in between the caliper and the rim right now. Like, that's how tight the tolerance are. Like, I'll literally show you guys, I'm not kidding. So anyways, I did all the measurements, got all the spacers, the bolts, got the actual ceramic rotors, and we bolted everything up. We made it fit, and it was great. Well, it still is great. But I was like, you know what? Like, if I can do it on my car, why not do it for other people's cars? So I ended up buying 10 individual carbon ceramic rotors. So 2 went on my car, 2 went on a really good friend, Mr. Benny, with his E63S. They went on his car. Then we had 2 that went on a Tesla Model S Plaid in Taiwan, actually. I shipped those out like a while back. Then 2 went on a BMW M5. I think it was a competition. And now the last 2 are finally done and sold. Boom, there they are, wrapped up in their boxes, ready to go. So we're off to Canada Post, and we're gonna send these off once again to Taiwan. Carbon ceramic rotors going to Taiwan. Like, that's kind of crazy. Like, we live in Canada and there's so many other places in the world, and this one guy, he's a Tesla fanatic out in Taiwan, and he wanted them back then, and now he wanted another set. So I was like, okay, let's do it. So we're shipping out the last ones. It's kind of crazy. It was an interesting idea that turned into, I guess you could say, helping other people with their little projects. So I'm really glad to have been able to do this for, myself primarily, and for others. And I probably will not do anything like this ever again, because, well, I had to invest in them, I had to buy them, then I had to try to sell them. It was kind of difficult. Like, it's not easy. It's a high-priced object. So you can't just, sell it as if you were selling a hamburger. It's a very, very specific piece to specific cars. You can't put this on a Honda Civic. Well, you can, theoretically, like run a 19-inch rim on your Honda Civic and your tiny little brake caliper and brake pads, a whole bunch of spacers, centerpiece. Anything can be done. If you really put your mind to it and you have deep wallets, it can be done. But we're definitely not going to do this again. So we'll try out other parts, ideas, and adventures going forward. So anyways, we're at Canada Post. Let's go and bring these to the desk, and then I'll jump back in the car and I'll show you guys the carbon ceramic rotors on the C63 one last time for this project. Let's go park. Okay, done. From Canada Post, shipped it all out. We are now good. That's it. Easy peasy, just like that. That's how it works. So, let's go somewhere where I can quickly show you guys again exactly what these carbon ceramic rotors are like. Maybe even do a little bit of braking tests. Again, I need to replace the tires too, so the problem is that the brakes are so good, the tires can't keep up. Like, that's how nice they are. Like, it's kind of crazy. But anyways, maybe I can show you guys. Hold up. Let's see. Just grab the camera. All right, we got a car in front of us. We're going 60. There, literally the tape will go flying like crazy. Like, these brakes are awesome. Like, they are really good. It's just the tires can't even keep up. Like, I didn't press it really hard to make the tires squeal, but I can make them squeal. And yeah, I don't know. We'll probably get new tires very, very shortly. I don't know what brand we're gonna go with. We'll see. Like, honestly, tires have been so hard to find recently. Like, if you want to get, like, obviously Michelin Pilot Sport 4S is available, but they're crazy expensive. Brand new, they're like 500 each. Like, I don't know if it's really even worth it. This car eats tires like crazy. I might get like Firestone or something because they're a little bit less expensive. And honestly, at the end of the day, like, I'm not tracking this car or beating it up. Like, I'm just daily driving it, sometimes a little bit spiritedly. Like, even if we do go to the track, I'm not gonna go crazy where I need like peak performance 100% of the time. Like, honestly, this is kind of fine. So back to the carbon ceramics. Like, honestly, they're great. They're amazing. The only thing that I should have not done is, well, bought 10, because I bought 10 of them literally like 12 months ago, and I've only finished selling the last 2 just now. So I guess it kind of comes down to, was it a good decision to do it or not? And, well, yeah, it was, because I learned a lot. It wasn't, let's just say, the greatest business idea, because I sat on them for a long time, and technically that's like, you know, it takes up capital or whatever you want to call it. Like, I should have really only purchased 2 for myself, and then anybody else that wanted some, they could have just said, hey, I like your rotors, can I get some too? And then I would have been like, yeah, prepay for them, and then I'll order them, and then we can install them. But I was kind of like, yo, the price is amazing, they're on sale, I have to get 10 of them. So if I were to not get them on sale, then I would have never gotten them for the price that they were. Like, even nowadays, like, I would check very frequently from the supplier, and honestly, I have never seen the price that low that I saw them 12 months ago. It's just the way business is done. So am I ever gonna buy parts like that ever again? Probably not. Because at the end of the day, it's like, you buy product and you sit on it, and it's like, it's kind of annoying, because, you know, you'd much rather spend that money on other things, like, other than product that just kind of sits on a shelf, sits in your house or in your car. It's kind of weird. But yeah, let's get outside the car, show you guys the carbon ceramics one more time. Here you go. So yeah, there we go. This is your C63 AMG with carbon ceramic rotors. Oh my god, look at that. You can literally see me in the reflection of the rotors. But they've been great. Honestly, I love them. They look great. They perform great. Car runs great. That's the most important thing. Needs a little wash. And, well, let's just say some new tires, because these ones are kind of getting old. But yeah, it's quite simple. Are we ever gonna put some on the rear? Probably not. It doesn't make sense. All the braking power is in the front anyways. So yeah, there we go. Oh my god, this car used to be so clean. Gotta wash it. But yeah, guys, this has been an awesome project. I'll probably never do something crazy like that again. Well, at least in terms of brakes, but we are definitely gonna do something with the engine. But first, stay tuned, because, well, haha, feel your passion, stay tuned. Stay tuned, because the car is about to get some new goodies. Wait for the next video. We have some boxes. Ooh, what do we got in there? That's super exciting. And we got some more parts in the back over here. Got some stuff down there. We got some stuff over there. Ooh, that looks like ATF. Automatic transmission fluid. Nice, nice. Okay. So yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day. See you guys in the next video, where we will do a little bit of unboxing and see what those parts are. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.